Hello, this is Andrea de la Torre, and I will be reviewing chapters 1 and 2 from Dr. Pang's textbook. Chapter 1 starts with the importance of understanding the terms race and versus ethnicity. We use this concept, race is a concept used for political use or social use. But mostly it's more like it has a negative connotation because it is used to divide or to exclude our students or exclude people. Well, versus ethnicity, it refers to the place where the person was originally born. For example, they're coming from Cuba, like she mentions, and Canada. So that's when you use the term ethnicity. Other terms that really stick to me is cultural assimilation. Is when a person learns the new language and lets go of their initial cultural beliefs. They start they forget about what their origins were. Versus acculturation is when someone adopts a new culture but that person continues to celebrate their own holidays, or they don't forget about who they are or where they came from, and they still have that in the back of their head. um Going into chapter 2, I thought those were like the most important things that she mentions throughout the chapter. She also uses a lot of Vygotsky theory, which he thinks that the only way or a way that we can learn is through language. That really stuck to me as well. That we need to have conversations and discuss share our experiences with our students so that we can have better communication or more learning in the classroom. Also, going to chapter 2, this chapter focuses on the importance of culture. That is, everybody is multicultural. This is how we get together and we unite around us and throughout the world. Culture must be learned, and we must teach it as teachers. We are we all are members of subculturals and as individuals of a culture. Um, Time is running. Another term that I wanted to emphasize that really stuck to me as well is hidden culture. This is when a teacher goes out of the school district lesson plans or the way they have our pacers set up for us, and decides to teach some cultures or anything regarding culture, and he pick a book and teaches to the student without letting the district know. And teachers that work as mediators most all the time, we have to explain all the misconceptions or doubts that our students may have. This helps each other understand different. Uh, uh, it, uh, it'll help us understand us different, and it'll help us understand each other in many different ways. Thank you. That is it. Thank you.